Okay, let's jump straight in here. So, beans, can of beans. I prefer Heinz. There's loads of makes out there, but Heinz I prefer. Grated cheddar, bit of onion, some hot pepper sauce or some chili sauce, sliced bread, bit of black pepper. What we're gonna do, get over to the cooker, fry them onions first off. Really easy, just makes a little change. Okay, touch of oil. I'm using olive oil. Get those onions in. You don't need loads, just a little bit here. I'm just going to fry them around for about 3 minutes. Okay, those onions are just kind of starting to cook. I like them a little bit crunchy. Really simply, drop in your beans. I like to put a little bit of hot pepper sauce in. Give it a little bit of spice. Black pepper. And then we're just going to cook these for 3 minutes on a kind of, fairly low heat. And then your beans are done. Very, very easy. Fantastic. Off goes the heat. And just at the end, I like just to put a little bit, not too much, of cheddar in there. Just a little bit there. Give that a little mix in. That'll melt in there nicely. And that's it. Let's get this on some toast. Get it under the grill. Okay, so could not be easier. Lightly toasted bread there. Just get our beans. I used to have this a lot when I was a kid. Minus the chili. I didn't have the chili when I was a kid, but look at that. It's like a little pizza, little bean pizza. Bit of cheese on the top. And then we're going to pop these under the grill. Just a few minutes, you know what we're looking for. Get that cheese melted. And we're done. Super, super easy and delicious. All right, and there you go. Lovely. Couple of eggs. Nice bit of cheese Beanos, as they're known in my family. Absolutely wonderful. Nice little snack. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon. Check out all the social media. There's loads of that on the go. Facebook, Instagram and all that. Lots of love.